3, 4.
Talking to the songbird yesterday, flew into a past.